Is your Discovery 4 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Open the fob and check the battery voltage. It should be above 2.5 volts. Ensure the battery contacts are clean and making good contact. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, the proximity Prox antenna inside the fob might be faulty or dirty. Try cleaning the antenna contacts with isopropyl alcohol. A simple reset, involving cycling the ignition and pressing fob buttons in sequence, can also resolve software glitches. These steps fix most common problems, saving you a trip to the dealership. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider a fob reset using diagnostic software like ForScan, available for free. This reprograms the fob to your vehicle's immobilizer. Antenna issues, often caused by corrosion or water damage, especially in humid climates, might require more in-depth repair. Check for physical damage or corrosion on the antenna. While replacing the antenna is an option, cleaning contacts often works. Remember, environmental factors like extreme temperatures and electromagnetic interference can impact fob performance. If DIY methods fail, a dealer diagnostic costing $100 to $200 may be necessary to rule out ECU faults.